Hello children, today we are going to revise the chapter Deep Water by William Douglas. It's one of the important topic of your syllabus. The story Deep Water has been taken from the author's biography of Men and Mountains. In this piece, in the story, he tells about his fear of water and how he conquered it by determination and willpower. As a child, when he was 3 or 4 years old, he would go to the beach in California with his father. He would get scared by the might of the huge waves which swept over him, and it instilled a fear in his subconscious mind. A few years later, in his eagerness to learn swimming, he joined a swimming pool where an incident further increased his terror. He was pushed into the pool by another boy and experienced death closely. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from water, but the desire to go fishing and swimming in natural water, it was strong enough to motivate him to overcome his fear. So he learned swimming with the help of an instructor who ensured that William knew swimming well enough to be able to swim in huge lakes and waterfalls also. Still, he would swim. The fear from his childhood experiences embedded in his subconscious mind would grip him over and over again. He wanted to conquer that fear. He faced it sarcastically, thinking that now, as he knew how to swim, what harm could it do to him? He challenged his fear in the face of it, and finally it would vanish. It was a baseless fear instilled in his subconscious mind. The experience was valuable for him. He had experienced the terror and death. He overcame it and finally conquered it. William realized that death is peaceful and it is the fear of death that is terrorizing. His will to live life grew intensely as he overcame his fear and started living fearlessly. So this lesson is all about conquering the fear. As Roosevelt has said that all we have to fear is fear itself. So now the questions from the text. What is the misadventure that William Douglas speaks about? So William Douglas had just learned swimming. One day an 18-year-old big bruiser picked him up and tossed him into the 9 feet deep end of the YMCA pool. He hit the water surface in a sitting position. He swallowed water and went at once to the bottom. He nearly died in his misadventure. So what was the series of emotions and fears that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come to the surface? So Douglas was frightened when he was thrown into the pool. However, he was not frightened out of his wits. While sinking down, he made a plan. He would make a big jump. When his feet hit the bottom, he would come to the surface like a cork, lie flat on it and paddle to the edge of the pool. How did Douglas overcome his fear of water? When Douglas grew up, he took the help of an instructor to learn swimming. His training went on from October to April. For 3 months, he had taken across the pool with the help of a rope. As he went under, terror filled him and his legs froze. The instructor taught him to exhale underwater and inhale through raised nose. He made him kick his legs to make him relax. Then he asked him to swim. He continued swimming from April to July. Still all terror had not left him. He swam 2 miles across Lake Wentworth and the whole length to the shore and back to the warm lake. Then he overcome his fear of water. How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the old terror? So Douglas still felt terror-stricken when he was alone in the pool. The remnants of the old terror would return, but he would rebuke it and go for another length of the pool. He was still not satisfied, so he went to Lake Wentworth in New Hampshire, dived off a dock at Triggs Island and swam 2 miles across lake. He had his residual doubts. Still, he went to meet Gleams, dived into warm lake and swam across to the other shore, back. Thus, he made sure he had conquered the old terror. It is Mead Glade. So, I hope that you all have understood the chapter. The chapter is all about conquering the fear. The fear itself, the fear is the thing which one should be afraid of. So if you liked it, please hit the like button, and thank you very much.